Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Prudent.
स्मार्ट सिटीचे कामाक लागून पणजेकारांचे पणजेत कामाक येवपांचे हाल. मेळत थंय रस्ते खणल्यात, धुल्ल प्रदूषण. कांय लोक हायकोर्टात पावले. सरकाराचे 31 मेची डेडलायन धरून काम. संबंधित एजन्सींक कामाचो प्लान घेऊन हायकोर्टात आपयला.
Unsupervised, unplanned and haphazard work which is being carried out in the Panjim city is causing lot of inconvenience to the general public. The work is causing lot of pollution. There is no supervision. Till date, at least 3 people have been reported to have died on account of this such kind of negligent work. There is an apprehension that if the work is not completed before the onslaught of monsoon, there is a likelihood of flooding and other related issues. The work is getting delayed, and it appears that there is absolutely no planning which has gone into the execution of this work. Concerning all this issue, we had filed a petition. In fact, there were 2 petitions filed which came up for the hearing. The court has kept the matter tomorrow and has requested the agency to give their say or explain regarding the issue of pollution, road safety and the steps which are required to be taken for the safety of the road, because we have seen everywhere it is dug up. And also regarding the traffic management, because there is lot of traffic congestion which has been caused because of the dugging of the road at every possible place.
Government has given some timeline.
Government, the learned advocate general made a statement that they are also equally concerned as the petitioner are regarding the issue of smart city work not being completed in time. And the learned advocate general also made a statement that in fact the government has already given direction that the work should be completed by 31st of May. And the government in all sincerity is trying to ensure that the work is completed, and that is what the learned advocate in fact told the court also.
प्रुडंटा खातीर मुकेश कुमार.